What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you the one thing that successful gardeners have a habit of doing that is often overlooked that you need to do if you want to be successful at gardening. And that one thing is so simple and obvious, yet so many people neglect to do it. And that is a simple perimeter check of your garden every single morning. Every single morning, the first thing I do when I wake up is I do a perimeter sweep of my garden and a perimeter sweep of all of my fruit trees. And it only takes probably about 3 to 5 minutes. And what am I looking for in that perimeter sweep? I'm looking for anything that may have been blown over during the night. I'm looking for anything that may be wilting and in need of water. I'm looking for anything that may have been damaged by pests. I'm looking for anything that is just out of place. You know, what I'm noticing is that I'm probably going to have to add another few clips to my tomatoes because they are starting to outgrow things. I'm noticing my beets are pretty much ready for harvest, so I really need to do that. My peas are ready for harvest, so I have to go ahead and pick my peas. I'm also noticing that some of my tomatoes, I really need to Florida weave these because they are starting to blow over. I have one that's blown over right here. I also have some kind of pest issue right here, and that's something that you'll notice when you do these perimeter sweeps of your garden. And again, we're looking for similar things here. These are all brand new bare root fruit trees, so we need to make sure that everything looks okay, that nothing is wilting, that there are no signs of rust on the leaves or anything like that. I want to make sure that nothing is snapped or broken off. My persimmon is all flowering. It's starting to look good. The pawpaws have finally all leafed out. They look great. No sign of anything's any animals chewing on anything. Same thing with my citrus trees in the back. They all look pretty good. We're getting fruit set all over the blackberries. It's going to be a great harvest of them this year. Then we're going to walk through the container garden, make sure nothing is blown over or is wilting. And everything looks good here. And then my last corn seedlings, they're going to go in soon. They're just about ready. Nothing wilting on my overwintered pepper plant. Nothing wilted over by my garden teepee. The potatoes are doing great, and all of the cucurbits planted are doing great. And all my figs and bananas are waking up. No problems there. My persimmon tree looks great. Everything looks great. And that concludes my morning walkthrough. Now let's quickly knock out this beetle problem. And this is just a spray bottle that has a little bit of all-natural pyrethrin in it, half a teaspoon in a 24-ounce spray bottle. And that is going to knock out these beetles ASAP. And this was not planned. I legitimately noticed this on this walkthrough just by happenstance. So this is exactly why we do what we do. These morning perimeter checks are incredibly helpful at keeping you in tune with your garden so you always know what's going on and so you catch any problems that may have manifested themselves overnight. It's also helpful to do one of these perimeter checks at sunset as well at the end of the day if you have time. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.